Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make a CapCut video with that TikTok friendly. So first thing we have to do is just go open the CapCut application. Okay, to make a video that TikTok friendly, you can use the template that provided by the CapCut. You just need to go click the template section, and now you just need to find which template that used by a lot of people. You can see how many people that use that by seeing this scissor with the number beside here. So the larger the number means that the larger the CapCut user who used the template. Okay, so for example, let's do this. I think I would like to try this. Okay, so how to use this template? You just need to click use template, and after that you just need to follow the instruction, choose the content that you want to add to into this template. Just follow all the instruction, make sure that the picture here is fulfilling all of the frame, and after that just go click preview. And after you're done, you just need to click export and go click save and share to TikTok. And in this section, you just need to add more captions here. Don't forget to add the hashtag FYP. And after you're done, you just need to click post. That's all the way how to make a CapCut video TikTok friendly. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.